Okay. Hello friends. Welcome to my another station. Okay. So yesterday we have learned about open office document, and in my previous session, that is yesterday, I have taught you how to make a advanced document in open office. So today again we have meet, and today one another topic I will start, that is how to add image in your document. Okay, so I hope all of you are doing well, and let's start our session today. And before that, I will like to say you one thing, that if you are liking my sessions, please join the live session for your doubts and all questions whatever you are having, and must attend the practicals also. In between the theory or only means theory session only, I will show you some practical things, and again one separate session I will giving you for only for dedicated for practicals, like yesterday I have taught you how to make your own resume using the open office document. Okay, so without wasting the time, let's start with our today's session, that is how to insert image in your open office document. So here it is. See, insert and use of images. Now, inserting an image file. How to insert an image file in a open office document? First, some relevant knowledge you have to know, that yes, must we can add a image in our document. So we can use several ways to add your document. Okay, as I told you yesterday that for one task you can do it in a several way in open office, right? So here also we can use two different ways to do our same task. Means one result will you got, means same result you will got, but two different ways are there. First one is drag and drop, and second one is insert picture dialog. Insert picture dialog box. Using that you can choose your picture from any file that is present in your computer system, and you can add that particular picture, or you can insert that particular picture. So what are the ways? Let's see. Just look at the screen here, and here it is. Drag and drop means, suppose here is your file, here is your document file, and here is a image stored inside a folder or a file. Now you can drag this image with the mouse and drop it inside your document. This is one technique. Another technique is insert the image from the dialog box. That first you have to go to the insert tab, choose insert, then choose insert, then go to the picture option, go to the picture option, then from the file that is present in your computer system, that file you can go to the menu bar and select the picture to be inserted, and click open option. Okay, whenever you click the open option, the picture will be inserted into your file. Okay, now this is how you can insert your picture using the picture dialog box, right? Now we will move to the open office and we will see how it will work actually. Okay, okay, just a minute. Okay, let's move to the open office. Okay, here I have opened a new file, but I will open some existing file where I have already stored some images. Okay, so here it is. In this file I have stored some images. So here you can see two images are there, different two images are there. I hope you can see the file properly. Okay, now I will go back to the previous file. This is a new file I have opened. Okay, and I will go to the save as option and save it with a name that is doc for image. Okay, and save. So now I will write something on it, that is inserting an image. Just you can type from the keyboard inserting an image. Now go to the insert tab. This is the insert option or insert tab. Now here, okay, let me zoom the screen a little bit. Here you can see the picture option. See the picture option, right? I hope everyone can see it. The picture option you can find from this insert tab. There are several things: special character, formatting mark, section, hyperlink, header, footer, and at the last we are having table, frame, table, horizontal rule. After horizontal rule you are having this picture. So from file I will choose the picture from file. Okay, two ways you can do. If you are having a scanner, you can scan one picture, physical picture, from your any document. Okay, that is physical document, not a soft copy. And if you are having some picture already in your computer system, so you can add it from there. So I am having some pictures over here, so let me take this picture. Okay, all of you tell me what is the picture I am inserting here. I hope all of you will very much aware of this, or this is a very common picture of what? What is this, students? Whoever is from Delhi or nearby Delhi, or if you are anywhere from India, so I hope sometime you have visited this place, and this is none but the India Gate, the picture of India Gate, right? And जो भी आप लोग अगर जो भी दिल्ली के आसपास है जो भी स्टूडेंट्स, वो तो उसको तो पता ही होगा. So how I have inserted this picture, just again I am repeating the steps. Students, just follow it. Insert, then picture from file. The file will open. You can go anywhere, any location of your computer. In my desktop I have some image folder, so from there I am choosing the images, right? You can go any location. You can see here the locations are there: D drive, C drive. You can choose any location from your own system, right? So after choosing the image, okay, let me take one another image. After choosing the image, press here open, then the image will come. Okay, now how to place the image? See, one after another two images I have inserted, and one after another two images has been came over by overlapping, right? Now I have to place it in a proper way, right? See, this is a just a poster of Republic Day. Okay, so I can click on this image, and this border line, you can see the dotted line has been came, and this green mark, with this green mark I can shorter the image, I can bigger the image. Okay, I can resize the image. Okay, and whenever this arrow will come, this four-sided arrow, I can drag the image one place to another place like this by clicking the mouse. This is called dragging the image one place to another place. I hope you can see and you can understand. Just I have pressed over it, I have clicked the mouse, placing this arrow over the image, clicking the mouse and dragging it from one place to another place. Like this. Very simple, very easy. Just you have to practice it a little bit and you will gonna master it. Okay. And this is called the picture tools. Okay, or picture toolbar. So here if I click, it is from file. It will again take you to the file. Okay, I will not add any other picture. This is the filter option. Okay, we will coming to this filter option. You can find so many options. See, invert, smooth, sharpen, remove noise. Okay, and another more options are there. Mosaic. Okay, let me choose. You can see whenever I have chosen a filter, a dialog box has been open, and if I change anything, you can see the result. See the change on the image. You can see the change of the image, right? By default, no filters will be added to the image, but if you want to add any filter, if you invert this, you can see how the picture has been inverted. These are the filters we can use. Okay, now I don't want to use the invert, I don't want to use the mosaic, and it will come back to its normal form. Okay, it is the normal form. Now the next one is color. Okay, you can choose your own color as well. That means not choosing the color for the image. Actually, you can decrease and increase the colors of the image that is having. So image is mainly having three basic colors, and mixture of those three colors, all the colors will be made. So it will actually helps you to brighten the image or make the contrast of the image. Okay, like that. So you can change the parameters over here. Okay, this is the brightness. You can see a sunlight picture is given. This is the contrast. Okay, and this is the gamma. So this is actually gamma is actually used in the case of mathematical things, or like if you are drawing something, some mathematical graph and charts like that. So there gamma is been used. Not here. Here it has no work actually. Even if you can use it. Okay. Now the transparency of the image, you can change the transparency of the image by this option. Next is horizontal flip and vertical flip. You can see the change whenever I am clicking over this horizontal and vertical flip. It is changing its position and flipping itself. The flipping of the image, right? So the image can be added, and this is the image toolbar. We can adjust the image as per our choice. Like we can add an image and we can filter it, we can change the contrast, we can change the brightness, we can flip the image, like we can change the transparency and all these things we can do with the image. Okay, now this is the customized toolbar. Now the toolbar also can be customized. Can you imagine? Means toolbar is given, one toolbar is given by default. You can add some more feature to your toolbar if you want. Okay, so you can add this frame or object, or from here this one you can go to the new, and a new toolbar you can create for yourself. Okay, this option is given to you in OpenOffice. Okay, for creating your own toolbar, customized toolbar, you can say. Isn't it very interesting thing? Okay, so here it is. If you want only icons in your toolbar, if you want icon plus text or only the text in your toolbar, that also you can choose by your own, by customization of the toolbars. Okay, so here you can choose add, here you can apply any type of templates or graphics, tables, navigation, anything, and add it, like graphical mode, color, transparency. These are the text, right? And these are the graphics, or these are the icons. Okay, the small picture is given beside the text, before the text, that is called the icons. So icons also you can choose, you can choose your own text or the commands also. Okay, so this way you can create your customized toolbar. Okay, now coming to the next part, that is inserting image using a scanner. Okay, now I cannot show you this part actually, right? See, inserting an image using a scanner, I cannot show you that part because I don't have a scanner with me right now. And physically, if you are having a scanner, you can just choose the option, automatically the scanning option will be arrived, or in your screen it will pop up the scanning option. Whenever you scan the image, automatically it will give you the option to add in your in your text document or in your OpenOffice document, right? So automatically you can add, means not automatically, you have to choose the scanner option, and you can add a image by scanning from a physical document. This is actually used for physical physical document. Suppose you are having a physical picture and you don't have it as a soft copy, so you have to scan it and add it in your document. Okay, directly you can do it. Okay, now inserting an image from the gallery. This one is same as the previous one actually. Going back here, you can see a option over here is given, that is gallery. At the left sorry, at the right corner, okay, at the right side corner, in this vertical bar, here you can see four options are there: properties, styles and formatting, gallery, and navigator. So I am using this gallery option. Just clicking on this gallery, you can see here some options has been arrived. Right, some option has been arrived over here. Most of the things means, first they are having arrows. See, the categorized has been given over here: arrows, background, then sorry, arrows, backgrounds, bullets are like this. Computers, you can see several type of computers are given, and not only computers, like folders, hard disks, type of things are given, wi-fi and cpus. Diagrams, okay, diagrams means different type of 3D shapes are given. Okay, different diagrams are given. Even you can see the pie chart and graphical diagrams are also given, pyramids and all these things. Environment, in the environment different things are having there. Okay, so many things. So this all things are categorized into some groups. School and university, you can see inside school and university, you can see blackboard, books, the globe. Okay, and experimental things, this is, this, what is this, microscope, right? Okay, this is glue, I think this is some kind of experimental thing. Okay, anyway, yeah, test tube also given, see. Okay, so you can add this directly from by drag and drop. What I have done, have you seen? Just drag and drop the thing and it will add. How to drag and drop? As I told you, just click over the picture like this and click the mouse, left click with the mouse and drag it into your document, and it will add the thing into your document. Or else you can double click or right click over it. You can copy it, insert, copy, and it will add to your document. Okay, one after another I have added so many pictures. I think you are not getting the thing properly, so let's take a new page. Okay, let's take a new page, then go to the gallery. Okay, I will add a computer here, this one. So drag and drop. See, the computer has been came. By adjusting its side, I am resizing the image like this, and again I am placing it as per my choice. Okay, now you can right click over the image and you can find so many options are there. Okay, now go to the picture option. You can find here keep the image size, keep scale. This is under crop. Okay, inside picture you can find flip option, hyperlink option, you can find wrap text, you can find here options, other options are there, and type is there. Inside this type you can find the width, length, sorry, height, width, and the ratio. This is the original size. Now this is actually not the original size. See, okay, see, the size of the image has been changed. So two ways I have showed you, right? First thing, you can easily resize the image by clicking over it, clicking in at the edges of it where the green color borders are there here. Okay, and you can drag it anywhere with this four sided arrow. Okay, this is one type. Another type, right click on it, go to the picture option and go to the type, the first one, type. Inside type you can find the size option. Here you can change the width of the image, height of the image you can change, and click here OK, and it will resize it. Okay, like this you can do for your image. Now, how to give your image a border? Okay, just click over the image, click over the borders here. Okay, sorry. Click over the image and go to the picture option. Right click on the image and go to the picture option. Go to the borders. Okay, you can find here set all four borders, set left and right border, set top and bottom border. So I am taking this top and bottom border and this double line one. Okay, let me take dotted line. Okay, dotted line is taking this one. Okay, and pressing OK. Now you see a border has been came upward and downward like this. Okay, similarly if you want to change the background, again right click and go to the background. Just take a background color, any color you want. You can see the background color has been changed for the image, right? Even you can change the color of the border as well. Again go to the picture option, borders. Here the color is black. If you want to change the color red, suppose, see the color of the border has been also changed, right? So this way you can adjust your image, make it make the background, make the borders like this. Okay, now again going back to our presentation. So how to add an image from a gallery? I hope this is not a rocket science now and you have understood how to do it. Okay, next thing is modifying an image. This is very important topic. All of you kindly please note it down. Okay, now see, the thing is that first we have to add an image, otherwise we can't modify an image, right? So either you don't have anything, how do you modify it, isn't it? So definitely we first have to know how to add the image in your document, and then you just have to know how to modify it, how to resize it, or how to uh, make it wrap with a text like this. Okay, so all these things now we are going to be discuss. All right, so I hope you are getting my points properly, friends and students, all of my students watching right now. If you are having any doubts or anything that is bothering you, that you can't understand properly, please say, and please comment in the below so that I can understand that which portion I am not explained or which portion I have to explain again. So Let's go. Okay, let's go with this modify an image. I hope all of you are getting the things properly. Okay, now first, using picture toolbar and using the filters, you can modify the image, right? Okay, so see, when you insert a new image, you may need to modify it to suit the document. Like, what is the meaning of modifying, or why do we modify it? See, sometimes the image is not actually suitable for your document that you are having, or you are adding it into it. So, like, the size of the image can be very big, the style of the image will not be okay, or you need to add some border so that it will be highlighted in your document, right? So here, so many options you could have to resize or modifying your image. So in the using the picture toolbar, you can resize, crop, and work around to rotate a picture. Sometimes maybe you have to rotate a picture a little bit so that it will fit to your document properly. So this is here. First we will see how to use the picture toolbar. Okay, so let's go to the open office. Okay, let's go to this PDF first. Otherwise, just I am showing you how many styles you are having. Okay, for updating. Okay, see, to update a style from selection, open the style and formatting window. Number two is, in the document, select an item that has the format you want to adapt as a style. Then in the style and formatting window, select the style you want to update. Okay. Then after updating it, it will be a new style. Okay, sorry. Okay, just a minute. Let me find out the portion that modifying the image. Yes, here it is. So here you can find all the options, or yeah, modifying an image. So first we have to add the image. That task has been done already. Now using the picture toolbar, you have to modify the image, right? So there are several modes, as I shown you at the beginning. You must remember, that is filters, and other than filters there are vertically and horizontal flip. Okay, another mode is that gray style mode. You can change your picture into gray style mode as well. Okay, already I have shown you one filters by using one or two filters. So, and also colors. Okay, so these are already present in your picture toolbar that you are having in your open office. If you click on this, oh sorry, if you add an image, automatically this toolbar, you can see this picture toolbar has been came. Automatically it will come. You can see it. It will show all the options. Okay, so there is no rocket science here, no big deal of it. So you can see from file, filters, colors, transparency, vertical and horizontal flip, and frame properties are there. So you can change any of this to modify your image, right? Now, next thing is filters, right? So as I told you, there are several filters. You have this in your theoretical portion, not only in practical portion, that what are the name of the filters and what are the effects of the filters. This is very very important here. All in total you can find 9 to 10 filters total. Okay, 3 3 6 9 11. Okay, total 11 filters are there. Now, these 11 filters are having different tasks of it for each and every one. Invert will invert the color of the image and brightness value of a grayscale image. Okay, and smooth will smoothen the contrast. Sharpen will increase the contrast of the image. Noise will remove a single pixel from an image. Now, what is noise in an image? You must wonder that noise will comes in sound, not in image. But yes, in the file, if in any file, it can be a picture file, it can be a music file or sound one, or it can be a text document. That can be also file. In a file, whatever be the errors, we can say like that, that can be a noise actually. Okay, so noise means here a single pixel from an image, so it can be removed a single pixel from an image. Next is solarization. Solarization will mimic the effect too much light in the picture. Like solar means the sun, you must know the solar energy, right? So it will just make a effect of very lightening a picture like that. So you can adjust the parameters and all to adjust the effect of your picture like that. Okay, now there are many other effects, like each and every effects are having different roles. Okay, so I may must not show you each and every effect by applying it, but you must know about each and every effect. Like aging, it will apply several times. For the dialog box open, adjust the aging level. Okay, pop art is modify the image dramatically. Okay, this looks sounds very funny, or like how it will be modify a image dramatically. Anyway, like it will modify the image with some colors, pop-up colors, and like it will in a variant color it will modify the image like that. Okay, charcoal, this will make a charcoal sketch of your image like that. Okay, like maybe you have used some features of smartphone, some in some applications of your smartphone. Maybe you have used or not, I don't know, but must of some of you must have used those applications that which will give you some effects of your pictures, of your selfies, of your filters, graphic filters and effects. And each and everyone is having some icons. You can see each and everyone is having a icon over here, right? So these are the icons. These are the icons, and for each and every icon one name is there. So it is very mandatory to learn each and every icon, because sometimes the icon will given to you and the name has been asked. Okay, sometimes the name is given to you and it asks the work of it, or what is the task of it. Okay, now it is all about the filters we have learned. Next thing we will learn, transparency. What is transparency? See, modifying the transparency value in a transparency box on a picture toolbar to make the image more transparent. This word is very important. And this is particularly useful when creating a watermark, when wrapping image in the background. Okay, now what is this wrapping the image inside a text? That one I will show you when we will do a activity in practical part. Okay, just I will show you writing a document inside a document, written document in open office. I will add one or two picture with the captions, and I will crop the image. I may rotate the image a little bit, or resize the image with the borders and backgrounds with it. Okay, so that can be done. Now the next part is, quickly let me cover the next two parts. Cropping the image. Okay, so when you are interested in select section of the image, like this is a total image, you want to select only this part of the image, only this part of the image you want to select, right? So this is called cropping a part of a image, right? So we are not taking the whole image, we just want to take out a particular part from an image. That is called cropping an image. Okay, so here, after right clicking over the image, I can find the picture option, and inside the picture option you can find all these tabs. This is type, this is option, wrap. If you have not seen my video from the beginning and you have joined right now, just go back a little bit and see. I have just show you previously in this session only, this window I have opened, and I have showed you this type option, this option also, the wrap option has been left, and the crop option and border option. This is the crop option, border option, background option. This all options I have showed you. And one more thing I should tell you, that you can say this is a tips from my side. Don't click on the macro even you are not having EV or the Java environment file in your computer system installed. So if you are not having Java in your computer system or Java environment file, don't click on the macro. Macro will not work without the Java installation. And if you click on the macro without the Java installation, the whole program will stop running, and the error message will come again and again. It will not let you close the window actually. Okay, so keep it in your mind, that mindful with this macro, very careful with this macro. Don't click on this, because if you are not having Java folders or Java environment files, it will not work in your machine. Okay, that is a small tip from my side, right? So let's see. Here the windows will give you the options for cropping. So here you can select the scale and select the size, left and right size you can select, scales like height and width you can select, image size you can select, like you can this drop down arrow and upwards arrow, you can choose the size properly and click. Don't click in the original size, there is a OK option, just click on that and it will be resized automatically. Original size, if you click on the original size, it will give you the original size, it will not crop the thing. Okay, now next thing is that rotating a picture. Okay, so this rotating a picture, actually we can't do this rotating with the help of the word, means with the help of this document. Okay, not word. In the open office writer we cannot have this feature, we don't have this feature to rotate a picture. So how to do it? Actually we will do it in a different way. Okay, so in the next session I will show you this one, how to do it, or how to rotate a picture in the open office document only, but actually no rotate option is present in the open office writer. So let's see in the next session. Just join in the next session, and if you are having any doubt, just tell me in the comments, and must watch the next live session for knowing that even if it is not present in the open office, how do we rotate a picture, right? It is going to very interesting. And if you are liking my sessions, just like, share and subscribe, and also comment below that which portion you want to know more about, or which portion you have not understood clearly. Then I will show you in the practical. Okay, and the next session is going to be practical session. We will going to discuss about this. Okay, cropping a picture is done. Creating drawing objects we will do. Okay, we will going to discuss on this. Positioning image or graphics within a text. How to position a image within a text using the picture toolbar, and how to modify the image, all those things. Now, two activities you have been given: creating a new year card using image, create a poster on health and hygiene. So I will not show you any of this activity. Actually, you will do it by your own actually, but I will create a card for you, and we will see how to place a image in a big document, how to place a small image inside a big document, like a resume or like a report, newspaper report, like that. So it will be going to very interesting the next session. Wait for it, and must like, share and subscribe if you like my sessions. So thank you very much. Ending the session over here.